Hello everyone. In this video we are going to just see how to make a single web page. So here it is, using website using CSS advanced, where we are going to create a web page using HTML5 and CSS3. So here actually the basic model of how it should look like. So we have made it like this. So this is our web page. So this is, we have a static navigation bar which is not going to be scrolled out of the picture of the view, and here we have got some different ways to show the stuffs. So how we have done it, so we'll just go to the code, and here we have we'll just skip the CSS part. We'll just for the bit we're going to skip the CSS part. We're going to directly go to the HTML part. So the HTML part, the first, the static navigation bar. So how we have done it, so we have made nav. Under nav we have actually made unordered list. Inside it we have made the lists, so home, match, news, team, and all the stuffs. And here we are going to just go back to that navigation. So here we have made, it's the background body we have given all the stuffs, all the requirement. Navigation, we have made it position fixed, so it's not going to be moved at all. The margin is 0 pixel and all the stuffs. And under the UL we have made the overflow has been hidden, the background color is yellow, position has been made fixed for that, the top has been 0, and width has been given 100%. And when the list is concerned, we have made it float to the left, and width is of 25%. The font family is impact. So the list text which are being mentioned here is text decoration is none, color black, display block, text line padding 16 pixel, font size 20 pixel, and the links on hover it's going to change on background color crimson. As we can see, the background color has been changed to crimson, and so do the color of the font. So this is the part of the navigation, and here we're going to see the banner, how we have made the banner here. So we'll go back to the here. So we have made a division class banner, and in each division we have made a sub ID, a sub paragraph has been made a sub ID, and inside it we have made the title. And yeah, under the class banner we have made 3 different divisions, and in each division we have given different pictures, so you can see it. So for D1 we have specific things, top, float, background image, background size, and all the stuffs. And the same has been applied. We're going to run through one totally. Width is 49%, background color is black, opacity is 0.6, height 260 pixel. The color of the font would be white smoke, and the Z index would be 3 pixel. Here the scene has been applied in D2, except the background image has been changed, the text, the content has been changed. And similarly in case of D3, so we can see the here, so this is D1, D2, D3. So these are all that represents here, and the picture, the background of that, opacity has been given so it could be viewed transferable view. So that is one of the stuffs which we are being dealing with. So we'll skip on to the next one. So the next one would be, which we are going to deal is with this part. So here on hovering the pictures would be available, or otherwise it would be totally blank. It is clickable, so if we click on it, so it's going to open it's going to redirect to its own page here. So we'll see how we have done it. Similarly we have made the second division, yeah, here. So we have made division under it. So division under that we have made the pictures, and all the links has been made here, and the image has been placed and color, and we have made it as a, what would I say, uh, inline inline CSS we have applied in this division. So all the stuffs has been mentioned here, and similarly we have applied the same stuffs except the content and the picture of the same IG. So we can see here the three pictures, and here the same has been done. So the next part, but not the least, is the senior team. So here we are going to, whichever we are going to hover, it's going to highlight the player's picture plus the name. So we can see it on hovering on the player, it is going to select. So how we have done it, again we're going back to it. So we have made a table. Inside table we have made three attributes actually. So here it would be the, where has it been gone, yeah, tr, yeah. So we have not made any headings here, only we have made a normal thing. So here we have made three columns. So each column we have highlighted as number, player and picture. We have made a class, and under that we have given the following stuffs of all the players. So there's nothing much. We have just entered the links here, the different links which would redirect to it, the images we have given, and the remaining we have done it on CSS. So how we have done it, we'll just go back to here. So player, number, and all those stuffs has been mentioned here. So in case of number, border radius would be this much, background color, normal color, font size, text line, width, height, opacity, font family, and all this stuffs has been mentioned. Same in the case of players, of the player class in the table, and also the picture. And we can see the all the stuffs. The hover part has been mentioned here. So here we have used a player hover plus picture. So once it means that if we hover on the player, it would also, the same stuffs which we have written would also apply to the picture at the same time. So for example, we can see that we are just hovering on the name, but the picture is also glowing. So once we hover it on the name, the picture is also glowing, so we can see it. So that actually depicts the following stuff. So yeah, so that's how we have made the web page using the CSS and the HTML in a single web page. So that's it. So thank you for watching.